Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Are you constantly running out of space on your PC due to huge video files? Or are you frustrated by slow transfer speeds due to their large size? In this video, I will show you the best way to compress large videos down to a smaller size on your Windows 11 computer. Let's go. If you're still using different tools for editing videos and then another set for compressing or converting, it's time to simplify the process by doing it all in one dashboard. Personally, I really like using this tool because it's an all-in-one video and audio toolkit. It can convert various media formats, reduce file sizes without losing the original quality, and even has some AI features like speech-to-text or vocal remover. Want to know more? Well, you can click on my link below to download the software and get a special new user discount. Once you've installed the software on your computer, open it up and go to the video compressor menu. At the top, click the buttons to add your videos one by one. Or you can upload an entire folder of files for batch compression. The next thing you need to do is set up the compression options to get the best results. Click the Settings button next to each file to adjust it individually, or use the Settings option below to apply the same changes to all uploaded videos. First, adjust the compression percentage to control how small the output file will be. When adjusting each file individually, you should see an estimate of the final file size as you change the compression level. By default, the compressed video will have the same file format as the original, but feel free to select a different type, like MP4, AVI, MOV, or others if you need. Make sure the quality option is set to high to keep your video looking as good as the original even after it's been compressed. There's also an advanced settings section where you can control more technical aspects of the video, like its bitrate, video encoder, frame rate, and more. But if the default settings work for you, you can just leave them as they are. After you've made your changes, click Save, followed by Compress to begin the process. Keep in mind that this can take a while, especially if you're compressing a lot of videos or very large files. When the compression is finished, head over to the Finished tab and click Open to go directly to the folder where your modified videos are saved. Alright, let's see if the program really kept the original video quality after compressing it as promised. For comparison, the original video file was 30.8 megabytes in size and it played really nice and clear in HD. Meanwhile, the compressed version is now down to just 4.35 megabytes. Yet the quality is still just as good as the original. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.